Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, let's talk about data science. Well, what exactly is data science, and the tools used for data science and the process in data science, salary given to a data science expert, and the roles provided by a data science in the industries. Let's talk about all these things without wasting time. My name is Prashant and you're watching Interesting. Let's get started. Before going to learn about data science, let's first discuss about what exactly data means. Well, data is a characteristics or else information collected by the observation. The data can be of structured, non-structured, numerical or non-numerical values. So let me give an example. You can see a chair over there which has a particular height, width, color, types, number of legs, and for what the chair is used. These all are the data by a particular observation of the chair. So now you got to know about what exactly data means. So let's go deeper now. Let's talk about data science. So data science is a field which uses systematic methods or algorithms or systems to extract knowledge or else the insights of the data. Not clear? Let me give you an example. Let's consider two companies, Company A and Company B. Both manufacture mango and strawberry candies throughout the year. And after 1 year, they observe that both of them are earning same amount of profits. So to increase the competition between companies and profits, Company A takes a smart decision by hiring a data science expert who is Binod. By observing the 1 year data of the company, Binod analyzes the mango candies are getting sold more than the strawberry candies. So he informs the same data to the organization of Company A. So they manufacture more amount of mango candies and less amount of strawberry candies. But the Company B takes a foolish decision by not hiring a data science expert like Binod. So after 2 years of sales, they observe that the Company A has a huge profit margin when compared with Company B. So now you got to know what exactly value does a data science expert give to an organization. So now let's go more deeper and see what exactly did Binod do to extract that part of information. I mean, let's see data science process. There are several processes in data science. Let's discuss one by one. The first process comes as business understanding. To understand what exact problem is caused in a business, a data science expert need to ask how, where, when, why, all kind of questions with the business people, with the stakeholders, so that he can understand what exact problem is faced by a problem and what he needs to do or what model he needs to prepare in the upcoming process. So the first is the most important process, which is business understanding. The next process comes data acquisition, which means the collection of data. Well, how will Binod, the data science expert, collect the data? Well, he will collect the data with help of logs in the organization, web server, APIs, repositories, and many more databases. So this is about data acquisition. The next process comes is data preparation. Once Binod collects all kind of data from the organization, he needs to clean and transform it for further process. Well, how does he clean? Cleaning is a process where data science expert cleans the data by removing the misplaced value, the null values, or else the duplicate values, or else the inconvenient data type values. Like it should be always in integer, not on float. Well, this is an example of inconvenient data type. While the data science expert removes all this kind of data and converts this data into a neat and clean data set. Well, this was about data preparation. Next step is the important step in the data science process, which is exploratory data analysis, also known as EDA. So what is EDA? Well, EDA is a process in which data science expert selects and defines the feature variable for further development. This is considered as the most important step because if something fails in this process, will lead to the failure of the development itself. So the data science expert should be very careful when doing this process, which is known as EDA. Well, for the process like preparation, acquisition, and the EDA, there are several tools that can be used by a data science expert. These are the tools which can be used by a data science expert for the initial process or the initial phase of a data science development. The next process which we are going to talk is data modeling. In this process, data science expert or a developer will develop several models and check which model suits the best business solution. And the training and testing part of the model is done in this process itself. So the languages used for this process to develop the model is Python, SAS and R language. Well, I would suggest you people to learn Python because it is easy to learn language. So this was about data modeling. The next process comes is data visualization and communication. Well, you have built a model, but if you can't explain to the business, then it's of waste. So in this process, that the data science expert have to prepare a visualization of the models or else the concept or the solution of the problem stated by the business and explain it with a good amount of communication and in the simplest way so that the business people could easily understand and finds the solution. Well, this was about data visualization and communication. The tools used for data visualization and communications are these tools. These are the popular tools available in the market for data visualization and communication. So by using these tools, you can build a very good and excellent data visualizations. The next step, which is final step of a data science process, is deploy and maintain. Well, in this process, the deployment of the model, once it is finalized by the business people or the stakeholders, the deployment of the model is done in this process and maintained if there is any kind of updates or modification required in the future. That was about the data science process involved here. Let's recap fastly about what exactly the data process involved. The first one is the business understanding, data acquisition, data preparation, and the exploratory data analysis, which is known as EDA. And then comes data modeling, and then we have to explain the data to organization people, so it comes data visualization and communication, the final deploy and maintain. These were the process involved in a data science development. Now going forward, let's talk about professional roles or the career opportunity as a data science expert. Well, what are the career opportunity you people have as a data science expert? Well, these are the roles which are provided in the market. These roles depend on two things. One is experience and the other one is skill set which you have within yourself. So try to learn more amount of tools and technology related to data science if you want to have a good role in the market. As we have discussed all about data science from the beginning till the professional roles which are provided in the marketplace, let us now discuss what are the salary provided for a data science expert. Well, the minimum salary provided in India is 3 to 4 lakhs per annum for a beginner or else the initial phase of data science expert like data analyst. Well, he gets 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. And the average salary provided in India is 7 to 8 lakhs for a data science experts. It all depends on experience and skill set, as I have told before. So keep learning this kind of concepts or else these kind of tools to gain more experience so that you get a higher pay in the industry or in the marketplace. This was all about data science in today's video. I hope you have learned a lot about data science in today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell for regular updates. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to suggest me any topics, please comment me the topics and I'll make sure that I will provide you with that video in the upcoming videos in this channel. So till then, don't forget to be like Binod and keep learning.